Everybody, welcome to sixth video of our course, and in this video we are going to work with our buttons and we will finalize our main UI in this video. And for this, first of all, I want to explain, I want to add sounds on click. Whenever a user click on some button, it should play a sound. Okay, so for this I'm explaining you the method how you can do that without scripting. Okay, so here select the start button and then add a component audio source here and just drag your sound in audio clip field, then uncheck play on awake. It's very important. So after that you will click on this plus button on the same start button inspector tab, and then we'll drag this start button here, and in no function you will go to audio source and then you will just select play. Okay, so now if you play the game, if you click on start button, you can listen the sound of this button. So we have successfully implemented audio on this button. I will add audio on all of the buttons, and then we will resume our video, and in the same video we will do scripting for start and quit buttons. So far so good. Now our buttons are ready and the menu is also ready. We are going to add one script on start and quit buttons. Okay, so what we can do, I already have a script for that. I write that script for saving our time, and I named the script to main menu script. I have imported one library, scene management, on the top because we are working with scenes, and then I have created one function, start button function, and in that function we called scene manager and load index, then build index +1. So for this function to work, you should add your scenes to build settings first. Okay, I already have added these scenes, so you should have scenes here in your build to work with this function. Okay, so after that I have created one more function for quit button, and that's very simple, application.quit. So it will work on live application, so we can't check in our Unity, although we can test this in debug, but no need. You can trust on me and use this script in your project. So now this script to start button and quit button like this. Okay, now we will select start button, we will add event, we will drag our start button here, and then it will find this script, main menu script, and we will call this function start button. Okay, so we will select this button. Nice. Similarly, we will select quit button, and will come in this event section we will add an event, drag quit button here, we'll select this script and select function of quit button. That's it. Our start button will work now smoothly. If you click on start, it will definitely go to scene 2. Yeah, you can see we have moved to scene 2. Now one thing, before loading a scene we need a loading bar. So in next video I will show you how to create a loading bar. Thank you very much.